Hi everyone, I am from Multiplewarnas kitchen, and today for the hot weather I'm going to be making Sunquick orange juice. So I have taken 1 glass here. For 1 glass we will add in 2 spoons of the cordial. So let me add them. This is 1. Okay, 2. I've added 2 spoons of the cordial. Okay, now to this I'm going to be adding 1 glass of chilled cold water. Okay, here I have 2 tablespoons of simple syrup. So here I have 2 tablespoons of simple syrup like I said earlier. The recipe for simple syrup will be up before this, so you can make them first before making this orange juice. Okay, so I'm adding my 2 tablespoons of simple syrup here. And then just give it a mix. Okay, now we will add in ice cubes. I have homemade ice cubes, so if you can make ice cubes or if you can buy them, it's really up to you. So I'm adding them inside. Okay, now just give this one last mix, and ta-da! Your orange juice is ready. Now it's time for tasting. Cheers! It was damn delicious. You should try this for the hot weather. It's really easy and very simple to do at home. You can also do it for Buka Puasa, it'll be a very refreshing drink. If you notice, you can see how thirsty I am. I've already finished 1 glass of Sunquick orange juice. Please do try this recipe at home. And if you have tried it and you like this video, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye! Thank you! Hi guys, I'm from Multiplewarnas kitchen. Now I'm going to be sharing another drink recipe, and this one is syrup recipe. If you're a Malaysian, you will know how popular syrup is. So this is the cordial that I have. It's called rose syrup. So for that I have taken a small pan and I'm heating it up, and then I'm adding 1 glass of water. I'm actually going to be showing you just the recipe for 1 glass, so it's easier for you to do if you know you're at the hostel or anything. So for that I've taken 1 glass of water and I'm adding in pandan leaves. This pandan leaves is mainly for 2 reasons. Number 1 is so that the syrup will have a nice smell to it. Pandan adds a really good smell. Number 2 is to give some vitamins from the pandans. Pandans are actually rich in vitamins, so I thought by putting it inside it will actually give a really good vitamin, so it's 2 in 1. So now we have to wait for this water to come to a boil. Once it's boiling, I'll show you the next step. Okay, if you see now my solution is actually boiling already. So now I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of the syrup cordial. So now give it a good stir. Now if you see, it's nicely pink in color. Now your syrup is actually ready. So you're going to take it out of the heat and let it to cool down completely before you pour it into a mug and add ice cubes. Okay, now pour in the syrup solution. It's still hot. I'm going to put it here and let it cool down. Okay, now I'm adding a spoon of simple syrup. Like I said earlier, the recipe for simple syrup will be up before this video. So you have to make that first and then only this. Remember, when you're doing any kind of drinks, don't add sugar directly to the drinks because the particles won't dissolve at the right time when it'll be hot when you are stirring or trying to drink it fast. Now I'm adding homemade ice cube. And your simple syrup and your syrup is ready. It's a very refreshing drink. You can make it any time of the day, even during hot summer or for Buka Puasa during Ramadan time. Now you can drink it, and let me drink it first. It was really good, guys. It was really delicious. I hope you will try this simple recipe in your home. and like this video. Please share this video and subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes like this. Until next time, bye. Thank you.